Good morning. On this auspicious day of 160th birthday of Guru Rabindranath Tagore. How different is this morning? Dear audience, you will yourself discover as the color of culture feast unfold. Now, we will have traditional auspicious garlanding ceremony as a tribute to Guru Rabindranath Tagore for his birthday by various members of KV number 1 Ichapur family. Faith is the bird that feels the light and sings when the dawn is still dark. With this fabulous quote, we would like to present a speech by Sri Lopa Acharya ma'am. Thank you.
Greetings on Rabindra Jayanti from the confines of home. Truth is surely stranger than fiction. It's Pochishe Boishak, a time when the world gets ready to pay homage to that supreme soul, an institution, that deep fathomless ocean, that lofty divine soul who goes by the revered name of Bishwakobi Rabindranath Thakur, who blessed us by descending onto this earth this very day. Let me unravel a gem out of his innumerable treasures that he has bequeathed upon this world. A song yearning for life. He Nuton দেখা দিক আর বার জন্মেরও প্রথম শুভক্ষণ. An English translation by Anjan Ganguly. Oh, the newest appearance, let the graceful moment of birth emerge once again. May you rise through the haze of fog, elegant like the sun. Sprout yourself through subjects relinquished. Life be proclaimed. The perpetual truth you embed be proclaimed. Conch sounds at the eastern horizon, and within my soul the ever new is welcomed. The 25th day of Boishak. It is truly a blessed day when we draw from the power of hope in Gurudev's words. For how else would we all connect to string together from the shelter of our homes a restrained but challenging celebration with strong faith that together we shall triumph. Thank you.
हम यह प्रार्थना ना करें कि हमारे ऊपर खतरे ना आए, बल्कि यह प्रार्थना करें कि हम उनका निडरता से सामना कर सकें। पेश है कक्षा 5वीं की ओर से श्रीजा टीकादार एक बंगाली कविता कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ जी का लिखा वीर पुरुष।
नमस्कार, मैं कक्षा 5वीं की छात्र श्रीजा टीकादार आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है वीर पुरुष, जो कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर द्वारा लिखा गया है। মনে করো যেন বিদেশ ঘুরে মাকে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি অনেক দূরে, তুমি যাচ্ছ পালকিতে মা চড়ে, দরজা দুটো একটুকু ফাঁক করে, আমি যাচ্ছি রাঙা ঘোড়ার পরে, টকবগিয়ে তোমার পাশে পাশে, রাস্তা থেকে ঘোড়ার খুঁড়ে খুঁড়ে, রাঙা ধুলায় মেঘ উড়িয়ে আসে। সন্ধে হলো, সূর্য নামে পাটে, এলেন যেন জোড়া দিঘির মাঠে, ধুধু করে যেদিক পানে চাই, কোনোখানে জনমানব নাই, তুমি যেন আপন মনে তাই, ভয় পেয়েছো ভাবছো এলেম কথা, আমি বলছি ভয় পেও না মাগো, ওই দেখা যায় মরা নদীর সোতা, চোর কাটাতে মাঠ রয়েছে ঢেকে, মাঝখানেতে পথ গিয়েছে বেঁকে, গরু বাছুর নেইকো কোনোখানে, সন্ধে হতেই গেছে গায়ের পানে, আমরা কোথায় যাচ্ছি কে তা জানে, অন্ধকারে দেখা যায় না ভালো, তুমি যেন বললে আমায় ডেকে, দিঘির ধারে ওই যে কিসের আলো, এমন সময় হারে রে রে রে, ওই যে কার আসতেছে ডাক ছেড়ে, তুমি ভয় পালকিতে এক কোণে, ঠাকুর দেবতা স্মরণ করছো মনে, বেয়ারাগুলো পাশের কাটা বনে, পালকি ছেড়ে কাঁপছে থর থর, আমি যেন তোমায় বলছি ডেকে, আমি আছি মা, ভয় কেন মা করো, তুমি বললে যাসনে খোকা ওরে, আমি বলি দেখো চুপ করে, ছুটিয়ে ঘোড়া গেলেম তাদের মাঝে, কি ভয়ানক লড়াই হলো মাঝে, শুনে তোমার গায়ে দেবে কাটা, কত লোক যে পালিয়ে গেল ভয়ে, কত লোকের মাথা পড়লো কাটা, এত লোকের সঙ্গে লড়াই করে, ভাবছো খোকা গেলই বুঝি মরে, আমি তখন রক্ত মেখে ঘেমে, বলছি এসে লড়াই গেছে থেমে, তুমি শুনে পালকি থেকে নেমে, চুমু খেয়ে নিচ্ছ আমায় কোলে, বলছো ভাগ্যি খোকা সঙ্গে ছিল, কি দুর্দশাই হতো তা না হলে। ধন্যবাদ।
Everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it. By the depth of Tagore's quotes, we will now present you a blend of cosmic tune and divine word of Ravindra Sangeet performed by Soumya Pal of class 4B.
आज कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर जी का जन्मदिन है। मैं उनके शरण में एक रविंद्र संगीत गाने जा रही हूँ। नमस्कार।
Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time. By this wonderful quote of Rabindranath Tagore, we are going to present an English speech by Dhritiman Das and Aishmat Sarkar from class 5A. A warm good morning to my viewers. Today, I am Dhritiman Das giving a speech on this auspicious occasion of the 160th birth anniversary of great Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. He became the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in 1913 for his book of verses Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born in a rich and cultural family on 7th May in 1861 at Jorashako, Kolkata. His parents were Maharshi Devendranath Tagore and Sharda Devi. He was interested writing poems in just 8 years old. His first poem is Jol Pore Pata Nore. He took his early education at home. He never received any formal education in school. He went to England in 1878 to study law, but he returned without completing the studies. Then he began his compositions. He became the genius writer, novelist, visual art, composer, philosopher, and a great traveler also. Tagore has written national anthem for 3 states: Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem of India; Amar Sonar Bangla, the national anthem of Bangladesh; and Sri Lanka Mata, the national anthem of Sri Lanka. The Bengali version of which was written by Rabindranath Tagore and was translated into Sinhala by Ananda Samarakhan, his student. Some of his famous poems are Hothat Dekha, Rakto Korobi, Shesher Kobita, Visarjon. Some famous songs are Ore Grihobashi, Pagla Hawa. Some famous stories are Chokher Bali, Kabuliwala. Some dance dramas are Shama, Chitrangada, Pujarini, and many more. Gurudev found Shantiniketan, his birth student, closer to nature. Later, Shantiniketan was converted into Vishwa Bharati University and recognized by Government of India as a national university, which contains to this day. In 1901, Tagore founded an experimental school in rural West Bengal at Shantiniketan, abroad of peace. When he sought to blend the best in India and Western traditions, he settled permanently at the school which became Vishwabharati University 1921. Do not limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time. Years of sadness. Arising from the deaths of his wife and 2 children between 1902 and 1907 are reflected in his later poetry, which was introduced to the West in Gitanjali, Song of Earth, 1912. This book contains Tagore's English prose translation of religious poems from several of his Bengali verse collections, including Gitanjali 1910 was held by W.B. Yeats and Andre Gide and won him the Nobel Prize in 1913. Tagore was awarded a knighthood in 1915, but he repudiated in 1919 as a protest assigned. The everyone in Kolkata. There are many interesting anecdotes from the life of Gurudev. Let us focus on few of them. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all in its home. Thank you. I am Ayushman Sarkar, bringing you a small anecdote from Gurudev's life. One day, little Ravindranath was singing a song of his own composition. He was singing the song very softly and the tune was beautiful. Ravindranath's father heard him from another room. He called his youngest son and said, "Can you sing the song again?" Little Ravindranath sang the song in front of his father. His father was deeply moved and awarded him rupees 500. Little Ravindranath was very happy to receive the award from his father for singing. I would also like to share about the relationship of Tagore and Gandhiji. Tagore gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji. Gandhiji hailed Tagore as Gurudev. These two giants of history met on March 1915 at Shantiniketan. They met many times after that. They discussed food and diet among other things. Gandhiji, being strict fruitarian, said to fry bread in ghee or oil to make puris, to turn good grain into poison. Ravindranath said, "It must be a slow poison. I have eaten puris all my life and it has not done me any harm so far." So we can say Gandhiji and Gurudev were extremely different personalities, but they had a great sense of mutual respect. We will share some more anecdotes next time. Thank you. Rabindranath Tagore, at age of 16, wrote his first substantial poem titled Bhanusimha Thakur Padavali, a collection of Vaishnava lyrics composed in Brajapuli under the pseudonym Bhanusimha or Sunlight. Here's a dance presented by Toshani Mandal of class 3C.
गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर वंशी बाजे बिसरी त्रास लोक लाजे सजन आओ आओ लो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर वंशी बाजे बिसरी त्रास लोक लाजे सजन आओ आओ लो गहन कुसुम
दास भी है और स्वामी भी। अब हमारे सामने पेश है कक्षा द्वितीय अ की ओर से प्रीता भट्टाचार्य आपके सामने एक रविंद्र नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है।
নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত কম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত কম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর বনলক্ষ্মীর কম্পিত গায় চঞ্চল অন্তর বনলক্ষ্মীর কম্পিত গায় চঞ্চল অন্তর ঝুমৃত তার ঝিল্লির মঞ্জির ঝুমৃত তার ঝিল্লির মঞ্জির হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত অম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত অম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর।
Every child comes with the message that God is not yet discouraged of man. By this divine quotes, we understood how children are important for future. By this meaningful quotes, we are presenting a speech by Snitik Roy of class 3C.
Good morning everybody. My name is Snitik Roy from class 3C. Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 at Jorashago Thakurbari in Kolkata. He was also known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. His parents are Devendranath Tagore and Sharoda Devi. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous poet, musician and artist. His famous works are Gitanjali, Gora and Ghore Baire. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. He has also composed our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. He passed away on 7th August 1941 at the age of 80. Thank you very much. ये दो आत्माओं के बीच के अंतर को भरता है। पेश है कक्षा चौथी ब की ओर से प्रांजल दास एक रविंद्र संगीत गाने पर गिटार का धुन बजाने के लिए।
Good morning. I am Pranjal Das from class 4B. Today, of the occasion of Rabindra Jayanti, I am going to play a tune of a famous Rabindra Sangeet. বড় আশা করে
Reach high for stars lie hidden in you. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal. By this divine quotes, let's reach to our next presentation. That is English recitation by Ankita Sarkar of class 5A.
I am Ankita Sarkar of class 5A, signing in with a presentation of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore. This is an English translation. One of his Bengali poems, Champa Flower. The Champa Flower. Supposing I become a Champa flower just for fun and grew on a branch high up the tree and shook in a vine with laughter and danced upon the newly budded leaves. Would you know me, mother? You would call, baby, where are you? And I should laugh to myself and keep quite quiet. I should slyly open my petals and watch you at your work when after your bath with their spread on your shoulders you walk through the shadow on a champa tree to the little cart where you say your prayers. You would notice the scent of the flower, but not know that this come from me. When after the midday meal, you sat at the window reading Ramayana, and the tree shadow fell over here and your lap, I should fling my wee little shadow onto the page of your book just where you were reading. But would you guess that it was tiny shadow of your little child? When in the evening you went to the cow shed with the last lamb in your hand, I should suddenly drop on the earth again and be your own baby. Once more, and baby, you will tell me a story. Where have you been, you naughty child? I won't tell you, mother, that what you and would say that. Thank you.
हम इस दुनिया में तभी जी पाएंगे जब हम इस दुनिया से प्यार करेंगे। अब हमारे सामने पेश है कक्षा 5वीं ब की ओर से लावण्या चौधरी एक रविंद्र नृत्य लेकर।
আমরা চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা
हमारी शक्ति को बढ़ाता है वह प्रशंसनीय है, परंतु जो आत्मविमान हमें पीछे से खींचता है वह सिर्फ खूंटे से बांधता है, यह अधिकार्य नहीं। अब हमारे सामने पेश है कक्षा 5वीं ब की ओर से स्वस्तिक तिवारी कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर पर भाषण देने जा रहे हैं।
सुप्रभात। मैं स्वस्तिक तिवारी कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आप लोगों के सामने महान कवि रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर के ऊपर कुछ वाक्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर एक बहुत ही महान भारतीय कवि थे। उनका जन्म 7 मई 1861 में कोलकाता के जोड़ा साँको में हुआ था। उनके पिता का नाम महर्षि देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर तथा उनकी माता का नाम शारदा देवी था। उन्होंने विभिन्न विषयों के लिए निजी शिक्षकों के द्वारा घर पर ही अपनी शिक्षा ली। वे बहुत कम उम्र से ही कविताएं लिखना शुरू कर दिए थे। वे आज भी प्रसिद्ध हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने कई हजारों कहानियां, लोक कथा, नाटक, निबंध आदि लिखकर साबित कर दिया कि जहां न पहुंचे रवि वहां पहुंचे कवि। दोनों वे और उनके रचनाएं दुनिया भर में प्रसिद्ध हैं। वे पहले भारतीय बने जिन्हें 1913 में गीतांजलि नाम के लेखन के लिए नोबेल पुरस्कार मिला। वह एक दार्शनिक, एक चित्रकार और एक महान देशभक्त भी थे जिन्होंने जनगण मन के रूप में हमारे राष्ट्रगान की रचना की। धन्यवाद।
Let us not pray to be sheltered from danger, but to be fearless when facing them. Now, our next presentation is of Ravindra Nitya, which is performed by Aishwarya Banerjee from class 5C.
रक्षा करें, बल्कि यह प्रार्थना है कि आप हमें विपत्तियों से निडरता के साथ सामना करने की शक्ति दें। अब हमारे सामने हमारी आदरणीय शिक्षिका शाश्वती बैनर्जी मैम उनके स्वर में एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है, जो कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखा था। विपदे मोरे रक्षा करो ए नहे मोर प्रार्थना, विपदे आमी ना जानो कরি ভয়।
নমস্কার। কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথের জন্মজয়ন্তী উপলক্ষে আমার সশ্রদ্ধ নিবেদন, বিপদে মোরে রক্ষা করো। এখন আমাদের যা পরিস্থিতি চলছে, কবিগুরুর এই কবিতা আশা করি আমাদের সকলের মানসিক শক্তি বৃদ্ধিতে সহায়ক হবে। বিপদে মোরে রক্ষা করো এ নহে মোর প্রার্থনা, বিপদে আমি না যেন করি ভয়, দুঃখ তাপে ব্যথিত চিতে নাইবা দিলে সান্ত্বনা, দুঃখ যেন করিতে পারি জয়, সহায় মোর না যদি জুটে নিজের বল না যেন টুটে, সংসারেতে ঘটিলে ক্ষতি লহিলে শুধু বঞ্চনা, নিজের মনে না যেন মানি ক্ষয়, আমারে তুমি করিবে ত্রাণ এ নহে মোর প্রার্থনা, তরিতে পারি শকতি যেন রয়, আমার ভার লাঘব করি নাইবা দিলে সান্ত্বনা, বহিতে পারি এমনই যেন হয়, নম্র শিরে সুখের দিনে তোমারই মুখ লইব চিনে, দুঃখের রাতে নিখিল ধরা যেদিন করে বঞ্চনা, তোমারে যেন না করি সংশয়। ধন্যবাদ।
Last but not the least, let us listen to the tributary speech by our Honorable Principal and then a vote of thanks proposed by our respected Headmaster B. Banik. Without their motivation and inspiration, we would never have been able to make a grand success of today's presentation. Thank you.
Learned colleagues and my dear children, good morning to everybody. I congratulate you all on the 160th birth anniversary of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. We remember the poet to pay tribute to his excellence in the field of literature, his ability to move the world by his words, his sense of patriotism, and his contribution towards the making of the society. I appreciate the efforts made by the teachers, parents, and the students to celebrate this blessed day online amidst the obstacles of nationwide lockdown. Thank you.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Good morning, everybody. Today is 159th birth anniversary of renowned poet, legendary world famous poet and Nobel laureate Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. On this auspicious occasion, we have celebrated Rabindra Jayanti to commemorate his legacy and contribution to the fields of Bengali and English literature. Tagore was popularly known as Bird of Bengal, but best remembered for his sensitive and beautiful words that has a magical touch to it. Due to outbreak of COVID-19, we have executed Rabindra Jayanti online through vibrant and wonderful live activities performed by our children. I extend my heartfelt thanks and sincere gratitude to our Honorable Principal Sir to give me the opportunity to avail the permission for celebration of online Rabindra Jayanti. My sincere thanks to my beloved children for their active participation and live participation to make the program successful. I express my sincere thanks to my learned colleagues and teachers for their dedication, active support and earnest efforts to make the program successful. I am concluding my speech with the quotation of Tagore. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय।